Imagine being mocked every day at work, treated like you're invisible, and having your ideas stolen in front of everyone. That was Emily's life. She never shouted, never fought back, until one day, she decided enough was enough. What she did next didn't just destroy her bully's career, it made the entire office fear her forever. Emily Parker was the kind of employee no one noticed. She came in early, left late, and never joined office gossip. Her quiet nature made her an easy target for Linda Blake, the loud, flashy, self-proclaimed queen of the marketing department. Linda would steal Emily's ideas during meetings, then take all the credit. She'd make snide comments about Emily's boring, clothes or tiny apartment, and worst of all, their boss, Mr. Harvey, believed every word Linda said. One day, Emily presented a brilliant campaign idea in a private email to Mr. Harvey. The next morning, Linda stood in the boardroom, presenting the exact same idea as her own. Emily sat silently, her fists clenched under the table. She saw her colleagues nodding, clapping, while Linda winked at her smugly. Emily could have reported her, but she knew no one would believe her. So, she started planning something that would end Linda. The silent plan. Emily began gathering information quietly. She stayed late at work, pretending to finish reports, but really she was digging through the company's shared drive. She found proof of Linda's plagiarism, not just from her, but from clients and even online sources. Then she noticed something bigger. Linda had been using the company credit card for personal expenses, expensive dinners, spa visits, even a luxury handbag. Emily smiled for the first time in weeks. She copied every receipt, every email trail, and every suspicious file onto a private flash drive. Next, she befriended the quiet IT guy, Mark. Over coffee, she casually mentioned Linda's habit of logging into Emily's account to help her, and Mark, annoyed with Linda's arrogance, told Emily that such behavior was tracked. This meant Linda had been impersonating Emily online. Perfect. The execution. One Friday evening, Emily sent an anonymous email to Mr. Harvey and the company's board of directors, attaching all the evidence. But she didn't just send the documents, she scheduled the email to go out right in the middle of Linda's big Monday presentation to a high-profile client. Monday came. Linda walked into the boardroom in a bright red designer dress, confident as ever. Halfway through her pitch, Mr. Harvey's phone pinged. Then another board member's. Then another. Within seconds, they were all scrolling through the damning documents. Linda noticed the change in the room's energy. Her voice faltered. "Linda, Mr. Harvey said sharply, can you explain why company funds were used for a Chanel handbag? Or why this original campaign is a direct copy from an ad published last year?" The room went silent. Linda stammered, tried to deny it, but the evidence was overwhelming. Security was called. Linda's presentation was cut short, and she was escorted out in front of everyone. The client. They signed with the company because they were impressed with how quickly the fraud was handled, and because Emily stepped in to finish the pitch flawlessly. The aftermath. The next day, Emily was promoted to head of the marketing department. No one laughed at her again. She didn't gloat, didn't brag, she simply got back to work, her silence louder than any words. As for Linda, rumor had it she couldn't get another corporate job. Her reputation was ruined. Emily had taught everyone in that office one unforgettable lesson. Never underestimate the quiet ones.